What's good, everybody? This is the one and only GM Fizzle, and today I'm gonna eat some Shizu Energy. You see this boy right here? Soothing instant vermicelli and spicy flavor. You see how we get it in? You know what I'm saying? You can put it right here. Show them. You know what I'm saying? That's what it look like. That's what a plate look like. You see what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take a bite, and I'll let you know how good this spicy boy is. Yeah, you see that vermicelli? Let's get it. Whew. Yeah, this got flavor. It's very good. It's better. It's definitely better than usual instant ramen. It's spicy and it's tasty too. So yeah, check this boy out. If y'all like y'all spicy boys, they got meat in it too. This shit good. So definitely, it's sweet too. If you like some sweet joint with flavor, you see the devil boys. Man, gets it in right there with the horns out, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's fire, bro. Plus, if you like spicy like me, you get it in with this boy, because I still feel the spice in my throat. I haven't even finished this whole joint. But yeah, man, I'm going to enjoy this, because this joint tastes good. If you like my videos, hit the follow button, subscribe. Tell me what you want me to eat, but I'm gonna keep eating random stuff, keep making videos like this. Because stuff like this, I love eating stuff, man. It tastes so good. So check out TikTok, fightinggm_tekken, all the social media, everything fightinggm. All right, people? So peace out, stay solid. Get your spicy on too, get this boy, all right? Latest.